Is this thing on?
Big time forward. The star boy there, so.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to see me. You already know how I feel about you. If you're new here, it's your first time seeing me. My name is Janisha, but you can call me Nisha like everyone else does. Today's video, super excited to do this one. This is gonna be like, I think, one of my favorites this week. We have a special guest purchased from Nordstrom. So we have an unboxing, and we are unboxing the Coach Tabby pillow bag 26. I believe that's the name. Yeah, pillow tabby shoulder bag 26. And I want to tell you guys that I did not want this bag at first. I didn't want it at first. When I saw it, I was like, it's okay. And it kind of like grew on me, like seeing it over and over. If you've seen it on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. So it did grow on me. I would say, you know what, before I keep talking, let's just get into this unboxing. So I did purchase this item from Nordstrom, as you guys saw, and I had it shipped to my local store. It came in this box. I want to show you guys the front because it does have like address and stuff, but it was shipped to the store. But anyway, so you guys, I already took like the tissue paper out of here because I did want to see her, you guys. So let's just go ahead and toss this box to the side, y'all. So it did come with like a lot of tissue paper, but inside the box, but it did come in this Coach plastic. And she is so pretty. She is so pretty. Okay, so you guys, this one I did get her in the orange color because I just love, me personally, I'm a person of color, so I love oranges, neon lime greens. I love pops of color, just point blank period. So I went ahead and grabbed the orange one, and I would say it might be coming up bright orange. That's because it's literally the same orange as you're seeing on camera. Is the same orange. This John is a gem. She's really a gem. So they have these in a couple of different colors. They have it in pink, they had it in green, they had it in orange, in ivory, and black. Now my top choices would have definitely been the orange. If I wasn't able to get my hands on the orange, it would have definitely been the green, but I already have a green bag that I just bought for my birthday, so you guys will see that video soon. But y'all, let's just get into this color though. Do y'all see her? She does not have feet. Like I was saying, I was watching a video, a review on this bag, and a lady had added feet to her bag. So I'm definitely going to look into that, because this bag, like I was saying, does not have feet at the bottom. And I am kind of like a person, I kind of take care of my bags. I don't just like throw them if they're like these kind of bags, but I do overstuff my bags. And when you go to restaurants and stuff, you know, we have to put our bags down on the table, excuse me. And I just feel like if I don't have feet at the bottom, it will kind of get like messed up and stuff. But y'all, this bag is so gorgeous. I'm just talking, but it's so squishy. The bag is literally so squishy. It has this gold brass hardware around the Coach. It has this like a dog tag, and it's also squishy, which I really love. And it comes with gold hardware. Y'all know how I feel about some gold. I don't know why. Is it like my camera? I don't know. Y'all know how I feel about gold hardware. And it comes with the short strap, and it also comes with a long strap. Now me personally, I'm a top handle girl, so this is a little bit my style. And sometimes depending on what I'm doing, if I'm like out and about shopping and stuff, I'll definitely do my crossbody, just because, you know, I don't want to keep my bag on my shoulder all the time. And you guys, I've seen so many people do like change their straps out, and I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But okay, so when I first opened the bag up, it of course has the tissue in the inside. And I actually ordered this one online because the one in store, it was just like, it kind of looked like it was already used. So I just went ahead and ordered it online, and I did a price match to Dillard's. I don't know if they were having a sale. I just caught the sale. So this bag retails for $495, I believe, and I got mine for $351.25 plus tax. It came up to $384, which I think is better than paying, I think, the $5 something, because $495 the tax, of course. But yeah, I'll go in the inside. It has two, so it comes with a little dust bag, which Coach always throws in a dust bag for you. And this is my third Coach bag so far. And it has a zipper pocket in the middle, zipper compartment in the middle. You have a little Coach to let you know your John is real, girl. And it just has a bunch of tissue. And me personally, I like to fill my bags up. So she has the back pocket, front pocket, and then the zipper. Oh, she's so pretty. So I will be doing like a what's in my bag really soon. So I'm gonna do like a little I guess like a month, 2 months update. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. If you want to see more of this bag and how I style it, definitely follow her on my Instagram, Anisha the CEO. But yeah, this bag is everything to me. Like, okay, y'all, so like I was telling you guys, I've been seeing a lot of people do like change out their chains and stuff. So I went ahead and added this little scarf, and it kind of, I got this from Shein, the scarf, and it just has like these bunch of orange blues and stuff. Just a simple scarf, but you can just, I'm just saying, you can dress your bag up. It's not tied like the best, but you know how they throw these on like designer bags and stuff. And then I have my gold chain, and I actually took this off of one of my Zara bags. And y'all, you have another way to wear your bag. So yeah, look at that. I'll try to like leave a couple of different links to Amazon and all that kind of stuff if I find a bunch of gold chains. I know you might be like a silver person, whatever, you can dress your bag up the way that you want to dress your bag up. And I would definitely tie this better, but you just see, and then that'll kind of like protect your leather even more. Now the only thing that I am concerned about is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like this side, when I took the stuff out, this is kind of like lumpy, which I'm kind of like concerned that over time it'll like lose. I don't think it'll lose its shape, but it will like kind of look worn down, I might say. But other than that, even when taking the stuff out, it's still squishy. It's still till its full size from the side. So I'm definitely gonna keep her, of course. She's that girl. So Coach, you did that, okay? Summer 21, summer, spring, you did that. You already did that. You killed it. Whoever done said let's go ahead and do this, and it's more on the affordable side. I'm right where I need to be, okay, because she is the one for me. But anyway, yes, I love her. And let's go ahead and like throw some stuff in here. Let's just see what all it can fit. Of course, my phone. What else do I have? Some stuff that I have in my work purse, and I'm just gonna like see what all can fit in here. So I threw in so much stuff. Okay, I threw in my phone, of course. I threw in this little mini perfume by Tom Ford. I threw in my Fenty lip gloss. Threw in just a pair of glasses that I had laying around. Let's see if this is hot on me. Yep. A mask. Definitely need that nowadays. What else we got? I have Coach. What is this? Card holders. I always can never. You would think I got kids on this piece. And then I have a spray hand sanitizer, and then I always keep like a hand lotion, but I can't find it. I think it's in my other purse. This one. Okay, and let's see. Snaps, because it has this magnetic. Now I don't know. She is looking a little bulky. This part, I'm not sure about. I think it's just something right there. Okay, without the snacks, y'all. Basically my essentials, but that's definitely essential. Okay, better. And she is still ready to go. Tell me in the comments, like, have you gotten this bag yet? Are you gonna get it? What color are you gonna get? How are you gonna style your bag? Are you gonna dress it up and dress it down? Like, you can do so much with it. I know this is not, girl, just go ahead and take it off. That's not how you tie it, but yeah, I so love this bag. Like I said, I'll be doing like a review later down the line about the wear and tear and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm so happy about the bag. I'll leave it linked down below. If I find it on sale, I'll definitely link it and go buy it. Like, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments, leave me some love. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already subscribed, and if you are, I appreciate you and love you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.